Okay, now let's talk about the whole process of trading cryptocurrencies. The first step is to use your local money to purchase some standard cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Bitcoin Cash. You can buy these coins on Coinbase, Bitstamp, Gemini, or localbitcoins.com. These cryptocurrencies are the most popular at the time I made this video. They're the most liquid on the market right now, and I think many standard cryptocurrencies will be added to the list in the future. And the thing is, if you want to buy altcoins, you may use these cryptocurrencies. Some altcoins are not popular yet, so there's no way to buy them with your local money. After buying some standard cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, you can use Bitcoin to exchange for altcoins. You can use some exchanges like Binance, Bittrex, or Coin Exchange. There are currently over 1,000 different new cryptocurrencies, and this number is increasing every single day. So this simply means that there will be more and more opportunities for you to make a fortune trading these cryptocurrencies. When you buy an altcoin and make a profit, you can exchange it back for Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then you can sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum to get real money. As you can see, standard cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum play a vital role in this process. So if you want to make a long-term investment, these coins will be your best choice. So before you buy any altcoins, you can go ahead and get some standard cryptocurrencies. Just hold them for a few weeks to get familiar with the cryptocurrency market. It'll take some time to buy these standard cryptocurrencies, especially when you use the bank transfer method. So make sure you have some in your trading account first so you won't miss out any opportunity to buy new hot altcoins when they're ready to boom. In the next lecture, I'll teach you how to find information related to altcoins that you're interested in. This lecture is very important, so make sure you don't skip it.